The condition is applied in the derivation part. Let the first resonance occur at length L1. Then L1 is equal to 1 by 4 lambda. But since the antinodes are not exactly formed at the open end, we have to include a correction called end correction by assuming that the antinode is formed at some small distance above the open end. You can view this here clearly. See, the antinodes are not perfectly in the open end. Some antinodes are there, but some are in the middle. So we can just consider it as the end correction. So there is some error, right? So to do it correctly, we should add an end correction. So we have to include end correction. So then, including this end correction, the first resonance will be like this. We should include in the L1 part only. The length 1 only we should add E. So E is the end correction term. After that, now the length of the air column is increased to the second resonance. Now we are going to find L2. L2 occurs. Again, we take the end correction into account because the length 2 also, it may not perfectly attain in the open end. So it may attain in the middle also, right? So we are taking the end correction term for the L2 also, length 2. Yeah, here it's 3 by 4 lambda is equal to L2 plus E in order to avoid the end correction. Here it's 3 by 4 because the order follows pi by 4, 3 pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4. And here L2 plus E. This is lambda. In order to avoid the end correction, we can find the difference between the first and second equation. That was the first equation L1 and this is the L2 second equation. So remove the E. We are going to do this process. If we do, then it will be like this. Then E and E will get cancelled. Then we'll get like L2 minus L1, and here 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 by 4 is 1 by 2 lambda, and L2 minus L1 we know it as lambda L, so we are substituting it here. And to find lambda, so we are gonna substitute, not gonna substitute, we are just gonna take this to this side. If we take this to this side, it'll become 2 del L, and we finally get the speed of the sound in air at room temperature. That can be compared by using a formula. So F lambda, you know that velocity is equal to F lambda, which is equal to 2F del L, because lambda value is 2 del L, right? We have written like this. Further, to compute the end correction, we can use the equation. It's like the first equation and second equation we can use, and we can write like this. But this is not actually needed. So that is not actually needed. Till this it is enough. So thank you.